So see here. So all these are created by man. So what are the things? Example. So first one is building is there. Next, buildings are created by man. Next, parks. These are also created by man. Next, bridges. Next, roads. Monuments. Monuments. What is the meaning for monuments? Monuments is nothing but the historical places, historical constructions. Historical constructions, they are called as monuments. Okay, all these things are made by man, so they are called as artificial components of environment or just a human made environment. Okay, next, apart from this, even the human beings also considered as one of the components of the environment. So how means, so if you see here, so individual person is considered as one of the human being. Next, family is another type of human. Next, some of the community, single person. Next, family. Next, community. Next, religion. So group of people. Next, environment. Okay, education institutions like colleges, schools, everything. So everything they comes under educational group. Next, economic group, that is industries, industrial persons or industrial places. Next, political situations. So all these things are considered as separate components of humans. Okay, so in this way, the environment. So there are three types of. These are the three types of total. Three components of environment are there. Okay, we can consider these are three components for the environment. So next, just we'll move forward. So see here, apart from this, so we can also classify the things or the environment into two categories. One is biotic, next one is abiotic. So the world of living organisms, example plants and animals, these are called as so biotic environment. In general, just in general, you can classify them as just a biotic environment. Next, abiotic environment. So the non-living things. Okay, non-living things, they are considered as this abiotic environment. Okay, so I think you have got this point. So first one is a biotic environment, next one is abiotic environment. So definitions are very important for exams. So they may ask for exams, that is biotic, the world of living organisms, are all the living things. So all these living things, they comes under biotic. Now abiotic means non-living things. Example, rocks, mountains, plateaus, next plains. So they comes under abiotic environment or abiotic things. Okay, so next we'll move forward. So see here, the word environment, where it was classified, from where it was classified means, see here. First one is environment. The French word envinor meaning the neighborhood. So the meaning for this the first word is, that is envinor. Okay, so envinor is nothing but the neighborhood. So what the meaning for this environment is neighborhood. So whatever the neighborhoods are there, that is, they are considered as just environs. So this is the French word, and in this French word, the meaning for this environment is just neighborhood. So that means all the living things which are present in the surrounding places, so they are called as environment. Okay, now see here. So natural environment. So just now we discussed about that. So it was given in the detail. That is, a natural environment is mainly classified into four types. Okay, four types. One is lithosphere. Next one is hydrosphere. Next one is atmosphere. Next one is biosphere. Okay, so these are the four classifications of this environment, that is a natural environment. Okay, this is natural environment. So apart from this, first one is lithosphere. So see here, lithosphere is there. So already we have said that one. Lithosphere nothing but all the landforms found over the continents, like ocean floor, on the ocean floor, they are considered as lithosphere. Okay, so see here, and just here in this one only just a lithosphere is given here. So just we'll move forward. So here if you see this one, look at your surroundings, make a list of so this is afterwards you can have this work. So next is see here, so domains of environment. In this picture all the four types are given. Okay, all the four types are given here. First one see here, so here atmosphere is nothing but this is the tops place. In this atmosphere we can see this airplanes, next birds flying. Okay, so the top surface of this earth surface is considered as atmosphere. Next biosphere is nothing but all living things, they comes under biosphere. Next hydrosphere nothing but all the water bodies. So water bodies nothing but what? So oceans, lakes, rivers, next ponds. So all these things they comes under hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Next lithosphere nothing but land. Not only land, even these mountains, plateaus, plains, they comes under lithosphere. Okay, so just it was given in single diagram. They are called as domains of environment. Okay, so next so see here, they are considered as domains. Next what is ecosystem? So this topic is very important, same like as ecosystem only, just okay, see here, what is ecosystem? So eco is nothing but environment. Okay, environment. Okay, so here if you see this one, so here some examples are given here. So okay, what a heavy doper. So this is just a communication was given here, but actually in general if you see this one, so here this is called as ecosystem. Ecosystem nothing but one living thing is depending on others. Example see here, so one living thing, so here water is there, so water will be suppose here water is taken by plants. After taking the water by the plants, so they will give some leaves and fruits, and then these fruits leaves are eaten by some animals, some birds, or some suppose if you see here plants are there, some grass is there, grass is eaten by this that is deers, even sometimes the cows. Okay, like that. So here if you see in some of the lower class textbooks like that, so if you see this one, frog is living in the water, frog is eaten by snakes, and snakes are eaten by eagles. Okay, sometimes the eagles are eaten by tigers or lions, again lions are once again eaten by microorganisms. So like that. So this cycle is called as, so we can call this as eco cycle. Okay, eco cycle. So ecosystem nothing but we can see that depending one animal or one living things or one the biotic things are depending on one another. Okay. So next, if you see here, so just we'll move forward. So just we'll move forward. See here. So I got this point ecosystem. Ecosystem is nothing but, so pond ecosystem here. Ecosystem nothing but whatever the living things are there in the surrounding places, they are depending on one another. Okay. So here on the water, the plants are depending on, and again on the plants, the deers are depending on, the cows are depending, like that. So this is considered as ecosystem. Different types of ecosystems are there. Suppose like here one pond is there, so pond ecosystem. Next we can call these other things as river ecosystem, like that. Okay. So just okay, see here. So this is a pond ecosystem. Apart from this, many other ecosystems also is there, like lakes. Beside the lakes, we can see so many living things. So lake ecosystem. Sometimes next, where there is a water is there, there we can see lot of ecosystem. Here eco is nothing but just depending animals. Okay, depending animals. So like that. So this is considered as a pond ecosystem. Okay. Okay. So this is about this. Next we'll move forward just. Next one, human ecosystem. Human environment is there. So this one we'll discuss later. Okay. Actually next class I have other classes there. So for that purpose, so just I am stopping this class. Okay. So next class I will continue the same lesson. Okay. So just okay. Okay students, so next class I will continue. Okay, because other class I'm having this other class. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Sai,
Okay, sir.
Sai
Okay,
Shashank,
sir.
okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next class will continue. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you.